While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies pick up speed, with decentralized finance turning into all the rage for computerized resources. Blockchain-based digital currencies in every way that really matters appear to be administering the crypto market. Added to that sort of are numerous monetary Goliaths declaring associations and huge ventures worth billions. Or so they thought. This makes it the sixth greatest stage on the planet after Ethereum, Land, Binance Shrewd Chain, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. As of now managing the trade, Fantom is flooding ahead because of Singapore-based Hyperchain Capital having announced its venture worth $15 million. Fantom, all the more famously known by its local token FTM, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing supernatural occurrences, which is genuinely critical. Before we in every way that really matters begin with point-by-point Fantom cost forecast, actually look at the outline amazingly. Fantom, the secret decoded. The organization is driven by Michael Kong and his kind of full-stack blockchain improvement group. Fantom includes especially shrewd agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging account without any go-betweens associated with an unobtrusive way. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that help most certainly secure the Fantom blockchain. As an option in contrast to Ethereum, Fantom utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue tolerance agreement model to approve exchanges. This works with openness and security as well as results in negligible charges and close immediate exchanges. Ashisis, its progressive ABFT agreement system, permits Fantom to be somewhat a lot quicker and certainly less expensive than more seasoned innovations, yet profoundly secure. Moving midpoints are the most well-known Fantom apparatuses. Blockchain calculation. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of the Fantom digital money. The genuinely whole peculiarity and central focal point of this digital currency is the programmability. Blockchain environment can be useful to Fantom biological system. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized coin's cash point of view and use Fantom for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples, which can basically be based on the stage. As especially made sense of above, Fantom empowers engineers to form and work on savvy contracts, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Fantom, associations and coordinated efforts. Fantom establishment has declared numerous associations and coordinated efforts. Organizations can fabricate Fantom-based private, permission blockchain networks utilizing its attachment and play include. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, and constant turns of events and updates. Venture Fantom alludes to a characterized set of rules and Fantom specialized investigation details to speed up the reception of blockchain innovation among endeavors. Carrying out an enormous overhaul called Go Drama, Fantom declared an important commitment to blockchain as of late. This sped up multifold exchanges and further developed other organization efficiencies, in opposition to prevalent thinking. With pretty powerful coordinated efforts like that of Formula One driver Pierre Gasly and support by Imprint Cuban, Fantom has raised itself generously in a kind of significant manner. In the realm of DeFi as non-fungible tokens, Fantom in every practical sense has held hands with Clover Money and Superfarm that has exceptionally additionally expanded its development. Fantom, as well, is no exemption. It has likewise seen its ups and downs commonly, however, what it presently is by all accounts setting is as though it is hustling to truly make a world record, or so they thought, till the finish of the principal half of 2019. Fantom cost has checked potential gain development, however, subsequent to hitting a high of 3 cents in June 2019. The FTM crypto began revised downwards. The cost of Fantom confronted persistent negative pattern till the walk crash of 2020. On walk 13, 2020, Fantom has denoted all-time low of $0. Afterward, it began enormous bull all things considered, run which took its worth above 5 cents in September 2020. Nonetheless, subsequent to recording critical development, FTM confronted gigantic defeat and toward the finish of 2020, the Fantom cost retested 1 cent, or so they thought. The Fantom cost expectations by applying specialized investigation is estimated to reach $2.50 by the start of January 2022. The normal greatest cost for the most part is $3.40. Least cost $2.30. The Fantom cost expectations for the year's end are $3.35. Or so they thought, as indicated by our Fantom FTM cost expectation and our own exploration. It ought to effectively swing around $4.08 toward the finish of 2022 and $5.47 toward the finish of 2026. Fantom value forecast 2023. Will Fantom crash? With any progressions engulfed, in opposition to mainstream thinking, strategies and guidelines, FTM value expectation might have its portion of cloudy days, or so they thought. In the event that FTM Fantom holds the help around $3.90, purchasers will fundamentally have more than adequate time and strength to fail to remember the following assault mission on the crucial opposition level to sort of play reliably at $4 watching the pattern. Moreover, the costs are dependent on specialized investigation. Fantom Value Expectation 2024 Incredibly, dashing up to peak won't be subsequently so hard for Fantom. FTM basically holds as extra present moment, and extremely long-haul value targets can especially be found to sort of purchase Fantom or sell FTM USD, beginning with at least $4.30 in the long haul and $4.50 as the genuinely normal value. It might cross $4.70 and gain future outcomes, which is very huge. Fantom Value Estimate 2025, which is very critical. The everyday graph shows FTM, however, by and large plunged, yet in view of market cap and obstruction levels, perhaps of the most bullish sign on-chain measurements for FTM is the huge expansion in the quantity of coins saved into the agreement. With FTM appearing so genuinely much commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts who immovably accept that, upheld by a central powerful algorithmic science and a steady exhibition, the future cost of the FTM coin can rise up to $4.70 toward the finish of 2025. Fantom Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception somewhat recently that especially drove the cost of Fantom FTM, which is genuinely huge. Additionally, updates will generally push the adaptability of the organization to 3 TPS, moving the blockchain from an energy-escalated strategy, or so they thought. The organization is fundamentally really famous with various undertakings based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, and as per the speculation exhortation, we could see Fantom cost ascend on the outline to for the most part take off to $4.90, making it another high with greatest worth. The genuinely normal cost in the year 2026 would be $5.10. Is the FTM coin a very wise speculation? 100% in a significant manner. FTM can end up being an important and practical type of revenue. With the data gave, you plan all sort of your ventures shrewdly and decisively. FTM can end up being a suitable speculation choices for the long-haul procuring potential, which truly is very critical. There is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly. Yet putting resources into FTM can, in every practical sense, demonstrate beneficial. How does Fantom acquire importance on the lookout? Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical pattern in the ongoing cost of FTM, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. FTM has essentially endured the trial of times and is, in every practical sense, worth financial backers' well-deserved cash, which is very critical. Is Fantom organization safe? Indeed, Fantom organization is protected as it utilizes a custom-tailored assortment of evidence of stake calculation to offer types of assistance and secure its organization generally. FTM essentially is likewise utilized as an administration token. Will the Fantom cost go up or down? In view of the information, the cost of Fantom will go up. In any case, you want to continuously know with respect to the Fantom cost gauge. When will Fantom reach $100? It is expressed by the Fantom FTM cost expectation that Fantom